Changing stories and damning cell phone evidence. Here we are 5 years later in a milestone in the murder case of a missing pregnant woman, Kelsie Schelling. And for the first time, evidence was presented in court that could determine if this will finally go to trial.
Liz Gilardi was the only Denver reporter in the courtroom. She spent the day in Pueblo and talked to Kelsie's mom about the hearing.
For the first time in court, we're hearing new details about the night Kelsie went missing and a timeline of the following days. Cell phone records show she made the drive from Denver here to Pueblo, but her phone never left the area. It's a key piece of evidence. Surveillance video of Kelsie Schelling's car at a Pueblo Walmart and a man getting out. It's just one part of the story that doesn't add up.
You know, we've known all along that, his story was consistently changing.
Now it's all coming out in court. From the very beginning, Kelsie's boyfriend, believed to be the father of her unborn child, Dante Lucas, has been at the center of this investigation. He's facing first-degree murder charges, charged more than 4 years after she went missing. Her body has never been found.
But it is overwhelming just to sit and hear it all presented all at once.
According to testimony, Dante Lucas said he last saw Kelsie at 10 a.m. on February 5th in the parking lot of this Walmart before she drove away. But he told another officer he last saw her at 8:30 in the morning. Surveillance video from that Walmart doesn't show Kelsie, but it shows Lucas pulling up in the car and getting out around noon.
The times that I have looked over at him for a reaction or anything, it's just what we have known him to be, and that is that he can just put on that very blank face.
But before the car was ditched, there's images of Lucas using her ATM card in that same car. But some of the most important evidence could be cell phone records showing texts exchanged about the pregnancy and Lucas urging her to come to Pueblo. Records also showed Kelsie's cell phone was always in the same spot, even after the suspect said she left. And another point to note, Kelsie arrived to meet up with Lucas around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning near his grandmother's house. His grandmother told police she saw him in the garage around 4 a.m., where they later found gloves and a black sweatshirt. Reporting in Pueblo, Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.